Hello, Kostas here, and to this short video, I'm gonna show you what kind of magic short AI can do for you and really explode your YouTube channel. Let me show you just a very small trick. Okay, uh, I have tested a lot of videos and a lot of the subjects that I follow and I enjoy creating videos. But I found out something really amazing. You know, when you go to YouTube, let me show you here, and you hit about searching crazy animal funny videos. People they tend to watch and love this kind of videos. Okay, you see we have here crazy funniest animals best of the 2021. You see the point is that to be able to use them you have to click here to filter, and the only thing you have to do is to select Creative Commons. That's gonna be the license that those videos has. So if you select Creative Commons, that means that you can easily reshare and use those videos. What I'm gonna show you now, I'm gonna show you how I can just get this video, or let's go to another video that it has more views. And if you create this kind of videos and you make them long, as you can see, they don't have that much view, so many views. If you get this kind of videos and you break them into shorts, then you're gonna have this magic, as I told you before. You're gonna see your channel explode because people love taking just a little pieces of this kind of funny videos. They don't want to sit and watch a long video. Okay, even if it's 5 or 6 minutes, that's a lot of video because we live in 2025 now, and people they are moving fast. They want to see just a little bit of this video. They want just to see about 10 20 seconds and just move on to the next video. Okay, I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna just select one of those videos. Give me a moment. Okay, I decided to grab this one. I'm gonna grab this video that it's about 4 minutes 58 seconds, and I'm gonna go here to Short AI. I'm gonna click to auto clip and just drop this link over here. You see, I'm gonna just click get clips, and that was really all. Let me show you because it's gonna let you choose the style that you want. You see, I'm gonna select 9 to 16. I want the clip length to be shorter than 30 seconds. Trust me, it really converts in an amazing way. And the subtitle, yes, we want the subtitle in case somebody speaks, but we don't care about that much. Video type, let AI detect, it's normal. If I want to include specific moments, and that's all. I just have to select what kind of style I like more, and I believe in case we have any kind of captions, we can go with any of those. I can select, let's say, this one, and that was all. The rest is something that Short AI is gonna do for me. Okay, I'm gonna just click Get Clips. Let me show you. I'm gonna just click Get Clips, and that was all. It's generating short many clips. Imagine you have 5 minutes and it's gonna break it in 30-second minutes. But the point is that this kind of videos that it's gonna create, it's gonna be the funniest one, and it's gonna look great. I can even show you from another one that I created before. You see, it gives even, yeah, you see that it gives even a score over here, viral score. the likelihood that this video will go viral on short TikTok reels. So trust me, it's gonna have a lot of success. From the moment that you do that, you can easily create a post straight from the over here from Sort AI. If I click new post, you're gonna see that it starts creating the post. I can write anything in the description and just schedule this post to go straight to my TikTok account and to my YouTube videos account. Um, okay, I'm not gonna save this one because I have already posted the same video. So now I'm creating the auto clip. That it's this one and it's generating, and I'm gonna create all these posts. You see, you have so many videos, and you can uh, post all of those to your YouTube channel, and you can even schedule for let's say for 1 month the next videos that they're gonna show to your channel. And at the same time, you can easily upload more videos. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Sorry, this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.